Hello everyone and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to clear Chrome cache for one specific website. So unfortunately you will have to clean the cookies along with it because for some reason Chrome still doesn't have that feature. So if I go to settings, in search type in cache, delete browsing data, as you can see there's nowhere where we can choose one specific site. So for example, if you want to delete the cache for YouTube or any other website, you click on this tune icon right here for settings, and then you navigate to cookies and site data. Okay, manage on device site data, and there you go. So also keep in mind, guys, that if you delete these, you'll have to log in again, right? So as you can see, we have the accounts YouTube, and YouTube.com. So just click the trash icon right next to all of these, press done, restart your page like this, or just press F5 and you're good to go. That is it for this one, guys. Enjoy. If this helped, subscribe.